Hello everyone! Today we are going to make a flower arrangement with yellow, green and white to brighten the room. First of all, prepare a large deep bowl with full of water. It could be a big bucket. We will use this form as a base of flowers. This form can make the flower last longer if you follow the steps. Here is a tip. First, make sure you have a big bucket or bowl with plenty of water. Soak the foam and wait until it gently sinks. If you forcefully press hard on the foam, water won't soak up, which means that the flower won't drink water. So leave it for about 2 minutes until it sinks. To complete your arrangement, you have to clean and cut the stems before you start. We are going to cut eucalyptus leaf, like this short. Please make sure you are not cutting between the leaves, but cutting on top of the leaves, like this. For an example, here you can see that there is a stem coming out, which is not really good. So can you guess where to cut? You have to cut the top of the leaf like an umbrella. Looks nice. Use this method for other leaves and flowers. Cut off any excess leaves of the sunflower. Keep 1 or 2 leaves, or you may remove all the leaves, which will make the flower last longer. Please cut the white flower all separated and cut off excess leaves. You can use your hands and gently remove extra leaves like this. This yellow flower, called solid aster. Look at the leaves of these flowers. Do you realize something similar? Actually, these 2 flowers belong to the same family of chrysanthemum. Let's take the extra leaves of the flower. Next one is the tiny pom-pom called baby breath. Please cut it around this size and make them short. When you cut the stems, make sure to cut it diagonally. If you cut it straight, the flowers you inserted on the foam may fall over time. So please cut diagonally, as the flower can absorb a lot of water. Which one is correct? Of course, it's the left one. Another reason for the angled cut is to increase the surface area, allowing the flower to absorb more water. Place the soaked foam into the bucket. You will see the writing oasis on the foam, which you must face up. You gently press the floral foam, but leave the foam about 2 cm above the bucket. Let's see how to insert the stem into the floral foam. Do we hold the stem high or low when we place our flowers into the floral foam? The answer is you hold the bottom of the stem. Do you know why? Because if you hold the top of the stem, there is a chance to break the stem. So please hold the bottom of the stem and deeply insert about 4 cm. Let's start with using green leaves. You can place the greens in vertically or diagonally to make movements. Short stems one can go to the side of the phone. Long ones can be placed in the center of the arrangement, which make the arrangement well balanced. You do not have to place the stems vertically. You can also place the stems diagonally. Today's arrangement, you can face the flowers to you or the ceiling, and you can choose the flower's height. Next one is baby breath. Fill the baby breath between the spaces. Try to hide the floral foam with green leaves and flowers. This arrangement will be double the size of the bucket. Try to make the arrangement look like a triangular tree. Let's add the main flower. Choose the height of the sunflower. Cut the sunflower in short and keep the length to put in the floral foam. I think that it's around the size of your hand. Make sure you place the sunflower stem 1/3 of the floral foam. We're still halfway of the arrangement, but it looks pretty good, right? Now insert the white mums. You want to cut diagonally and place the mums beside the sunflower, or you can also place it behind the sunflower. Can you see that all the flowers are in different heights and angles? Next, we will place the yellow solid aster. Make sure to cut the stem while looking at the balance of the arrangement. At the end, you want to put some greens and baby breath to fill the space and finish the arrangement with a triangular shape. We have finished! For accessory, to make this arrangement more pretty, decorate the cinnamon stick. Does it smell nice? But wait, this is not for eating. Please do not lick or eat it. We do not want you to get ill. Now we will wrap the cinnamon stick with ribbon. Tie a bow in the middle of the cinnamon stick. If you have trouble, ask older one to help you. And then we end up with a beautiful arrangement. Today's main point of the arrangement are make the arrangement in a triangular shape, and it should be the same length as the bucket and the flower. Water the flower about once every 2 or 3 days. Flower will last longer if you place them in shade or less direct sunlight. You can sometimes spray the flowers with water as the weather is dry. I would like to introduce the names of the flowers using in the arrangement today. Sunflower. It lasts 7 to 10 days and very long-lasting flower. Baby breath. It is very popular for weddings. The baby breath can be dried flower. Solid aster. It will last for a week if it kept in the shade. Eucalyptus. It is very nice smell. It can also be dried flower. Chrysanthemum. In Australia, we call mum and its gift flower for Mother's Day, as it is called mum. Quiz time! Which is the eucalyptus? Point it out. Are you correct? How about mum? Are you correct? Do you remember this flower's name? It's baby breath. Did you get everything correct? Many events has been cancelled, such as weddings and anniversaries, and people are isolating from the outside world due to the coronavirus pandemic. People are less likely to go buying flowers. Now, many flowers have been dumped into the landfill. It's just heartbreaking and devastating to see such a beautiful crop just going to waste. This is why I want to make the flower kits deliver happiness. I also want to try to help the farmers by purchasing lots of flowers from them. I would be very happy if I could make the house a little brighter and smile for everyone. I'll be happy if you take a photo of your arrangement and post it on Instagram. I'd like to see how your beautiful arrangement went and like to make a comment. So please #BeFriendWithFlowers. I'm looking forward to seeing everyone's flower arrangements. Next flower kit will come out in 10 days from today. The theme of the next arrangement is Mother's Day. Everybody, see you, goodbye!